Hi, today we will learn the phrasal verb go off with somebody. It means to leave a place together with someone. Sometimes it means leaving secretly or suddenly. For example, they went off with their friends after the party. You cannot separate go off and with somebody. So you say go off with him, not go with off him. You can use it in many situations, leaving a party, going somewhere quietly, or even running away. For example, she went off with Tom to a cafe. Or the kids went off with their grandparents. Be careful not to mix it with run off with somebody, which is more secretive or dramatic. Go off with somebody is more neutral, but can imply suddenness. Try to practice by making sentences like, he went off with his sister. Remember, it is an informal phrase, perfect for everyday conversations. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more English tips.